Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sending a sticker by using an emoji in Telegram. Did you know that you can easily spice up your conversations by converting emojis into customized stickers? It's a fun and creative way to express yourself. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of sending a sticker by using an emoji in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on a chat where you want to send the sticker. Instead of typing a message, simply type in the emoji that represents the sticker you want to send. For example, if you want to send a smiley face sticker, type in the emoji smile. Step 3. After typing in the emoji, swipe through the menu that appears just above the keyboard. This menu will display customized stickers from your sticker packs related to the emoji you entered. Step 4. Once you find the desired sticker, simply tap on it. The sticker will be sent as a message in the chat, adding a fun and expressive touch to your conversation. By following these simple steps, you can easily send stickers by using emojis in Telegram, adding a personalized and creative flair to your chats. Sending stickers with emojis allows you to convey emotions and messages in a unique and visually engaging way, making your conversations more enjoyable and expressive. Thank you for watching, and enjoy experimenting with customized stickers in your Telegram conversations.